inspired by a Facebook meme. I don't know whether you've seen anything like it, but it basically said students, and then it was what my parents think I do, and then it was a guy in the library, like headphones on, studying, and then it was what my mates think I do, and it was a guy in like a club, like partying, and then it was what I actually do, and it's the same guy like on the floor in the kitchen, passed out. So, but it kind of made us think that like if everyone sees you differently, like who is kind of the real you. So that's what this song is about. It's going to be performed by Jade Johnson and Cristian Zaccarini. So Jade, she's playing Sammy, who's a fashion blogger, and Zach is playing Sammy's. No, it's not Zach, it's Cristian. He is playing Sammy's brother, parents, and viewers. But it's all it makes sense. Woo!
Mum and Dad think I'm a hermit, because I'm always in my room. My eyes
fixed on a screen.
It's what they like to assume. Then the second it stops raining,
Get outside, enjoy the day before you go insane.
that's what they say. But this room's not who I am, 'cause they've got it all wrong. I am more than what they always see. They've got me all wrong. Then my brother, all he says is,
You're up there watching porn.
of course that's what he'd think.
Because you're up there watching porn.
He can't comprehend is things have changed since you were born.
Then go and play pretend.
Okay, I will, but pretend not who I am. 'Cause he's got it all wrong. I am more than what he always sees. He's got me all wrong. My friends all think I'm driven, like I know just what I want. They take it as a given if I'm out of reach or not about. But I've sometimes thought to wonder, have I gone too far? Can you go so out of reach you don't know who you are? All my viewers think I'm perfect. They'll say,
Sammy, you're the best.
they'll say,
Sammy, you're like wise. Love the way you did your eyes. Love the way you see the world. Love the way you stay upbeat. Watch the way your hair is curled.